Just getting off work, looking at the blackberry plants. They're doing right. There's one that's horizontal. It's looking good. Cut them off at about 4 feet. They'll bush out on you. See how this one bushing out? There's a little bit of blossoms on that cherry tree. Wow, wait a minute. This one's different than the blossoms on the other one. I might be able to cross them. Let me see something here. If I take one of these blossoms off and go over and try to match it with the other one, see what they look like, because these are blossoming at the same time. And this is the cherry trees, they're blossoming. There's another one blossoming. Wait a minute. Let's see if this match what's up here. Yep, they're identical. They're identical. Identical. Now let's see what we got over here on this cherry tree. The yard is not it's clean. Got cut all this grass up in here, and that's gonna feel good. I'll get a chance to do that because I got it under control now. The whole yard is getting cleaned up. Now, oh, yep, these are different. That's different. Interesting. All right, good people. Good morning, Garden Show.